Well, we are dealing with cloudy skies and a nippy Monday afternoon, now transitioning to a Monday evening, 37 degrees, humidity at 86%. Temperature, especially towards the west, we see a bit more of those 30s popping out, especially towards that Wisconsin border, 34 in Ironwood, 37 in Ontonagon, and then beginning to warm up closer into those low 40s further east you go, 40 in Menominee, 40 in Crystal Falls. Towards the east, pretty much a similar scenario, 39 degrees in Munising, 42 in Escanaba, and then the warmest reading is at the Sioux at 44 degrees. But those winds coming out of the west between 10 to 15 miles per hour, 15 in Escanaba and Houghton, 12 in Marquette and Munising. And that westerly flow, though, has triggered a little bit of that lake effect when it comes to rain or snow. Now, as we transition into the nighttime hours, most areas that are seeing rain could begin to see that change into snow. There is actually a winter weather advisory in effect for the western counties until 8 a.m. on Tuesday, where accumulations could reach up to 4 to 5 inches. So really make sure to slow down on those roads when it comes to that wind, reducing that visibility, but also those slipperiness because of that rain and eventually finishing off as snow. We'll have a little bit of a breather when it comes to storms sometime tomorrow night into early Wednesday. But by Wednesday night, once again, we have to deal with the rain-snow mix. And when it comes to that mercury, it's just really not going to warm up too much at all, at least until probably on Sunday. That's when we'll begin to see the greatest chance of temperatures really beginning to see a bit of a spike. We've pretty much been stuck in those 30s and low 40s over the last week or so. Now, going back to Friday, we did have a good amount of snowfall over into the western UP, and that lingered into parts of Saturday morning. Ironwood topped out the list at 14.7 inches, Painesdale at 9, and Red Ridge at 7 inches of snow. Satellite radar showing a good amount of snow already beginning to push through parts of North Dakota, all the way into parts of the UP, and in parts of the UP, you can see a little bit of that mix already occurring as well near the Marquette area, downstate into parts of lower Michigan, mostly rain, but even for them, they could see a bit of that change over into snow later on tonight as temperatures flirt with the freezing mark. This is all associated with a cold front that's really going to continue to keep those temperatures chilly for this time of the year. For tomorrow, we could be dealing with a couple lingering snow showers. The good news, though, by late tomorrow afternoon, that snow tapers off, and that's going to allow for those trick-or-treaters to actually go outside and grab that candy. Just make sure to stay warm. Now, on Wednesday, we start off decent, but then, unfortunately, that cookie crumbles as we introduce that rain chance late in the day, and even that chance for a mix by Wednesday night and into early Thursday. So how much snow by tomorrow morning? 4 to 6 inches over into the Ironwood area. Further east you go, snow forecast decreases up to 2 inches of snow in parts of Marquette and into parts of the Keweenaw Peninsula, less than an inch as you push towards the Sioux and St. Ignace. For tonight, 28 degrees. That rain-snow mix eventually becoming snow, but it's that breeze that's really what you got to be careful, especially when driving with that visibility. We could have gusts up to 30 miles per hour. Temperatures dropping into those upper 20s by tomorrow. Most areas staying shy of 40 degrees. Morning mix, cloudiness throughout the afternoon. For the day planner, we're going to keep those chances of precipitation decreasing from 30% in the morning down to 10%. And then we begin to clear up just a little bit on Friday and Saturday.